All right, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tony Roney. Look, came outside today on my birthday and my truck won't start, so I had to catch an Uber up to the AutoZone store and get some parts that I hope is the problem. This part right here, the rotor right here, if y'all can see that right here, this bad boy right there needs to come out and replaced. My truck just keeps going and going and going and going, and it will not turn over for shiznicks. And I really hope it's not. I really hope it's not the fuel pump. Then I got to get a tow truck. Then I got to pay $70 for a tow truck to send it down to the mechanic place that I know that they'll do a good job. But I'm gonna work this out. So let me put this on, man. This is my birthday, working on a truck. All right, guys, I finally got the distributor cap off, as you can see right there. I'm really hoping that is the problem, guys. I really, really hope. This is what the old one looked like. This is the old one, okay? That piece and this piece. As you can see, there's some corrosion in there. Look at my hands, y'all. Oh my gosh. You see some corrosion on there. This is not looking too good. Uh-oh. Because if not, then I gotta get a fuel pump and I'm gonna have to pay for a tow truck. And oh gosh, let's put this on. Losing any screws. Oh, that will suck. Now if I can find the right way, I think it was this way. Okay. All right. Let's start on this side. I'm going to lose a screw. I am going to lose a screw. I'm trying to tell you. Here with the cap that we got to place on top of there, like so. Yeah, there we go. That is the cap. All right, here go one of the screws, guys. So I gotta try to be so very careful doing this. I see, I told you I lost the screw. All right, guys, thankfully it fell all the way at the bottom and I was able to get it back. See, these do not lock whatsoever in my thing. So this is like so difficult to do. Come on. All right, I think I got it. I think I got it, guys. I think I got it, y'all. I think I got it, guys. I think I got it. Oh, yes. See, if I can put this in here and that will stay, that would be so perfect. That would be so perfect. It's gonna have to be very careful, man. Just come on. It's literally right there. It's right there. Damn it, I lost it. God damn it. I told you. Fuck. This is not good. I cannot fucking, if I had a magnetic screwdriver, that'd be so perfect. But I don't. And I am so close. Fuck it, I just lost it again. God damn. Motherfucker. This is such bullshit. See if I can knock it down. Fuck. Bitch. And it didn't fall either. Hold on. I think I have something. I think I have something. I think I have something, guys. Oh, hold up. Yes, I got it. Awesome. All right, let's tighten these bad boys up. We got to get these spark plugs back on. So this one goes here. I'll say that one for last. I wrote on them so I can know which one goes where. All right, there we go. We're done. And that is put on, y'all. That is done. New distributor cap. Now, let's get rid of these old pieces. Put these in a box. Put this back in here. And we're going to crank this bad boy up. And hopefully that was the problem. And I really do hope that was the problem. So, let me lay this on the floor. Let me get these screws right here. Put these screws in the box. And we're just going to crank it up and see if that helped any. This is the moment of truth between $300-400 for an oil pump or my do it myself. Oh gosh. Nope, that did not work. So it got to be the fuel pump. Damn it. Yeah, it's the fuel pump. So we got to go and get the fuel pump put on. All right. I am so disappointed right now, man. I really hope that would be the problem. But it wasn't. Now I gotta go spend $300-400. I hope that helped y'all, dude. I hope it worked for y'all, like it didn't work for me. I tried, okay. So that's all that matters. I hope this helped y'all, man. This is my birthday, so failure on my birthday. I'm out. Peace.